Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Denise Yezbak Moore. Today I'm going to be creating a pendant with these beautiful amethyst stones. And here we go. The tools and supplies you will need to create this pendant are round nose pliers. I use Lindstrom. Chain nose pliers. I always have two with me. Wire cutters. You will need 24 gauge. This is an actual brass wire that has been antiqued. You can use any type of wire you want, sterling silver, regular silver, gold tone, any tone will work. So we're going to need wire. This one's 6 inches. This one is about 2.5 to 3 inches. These little beads here are crimp beads. They are brass tone. We're going to use them as spacers. You will need 3 of the gemstones. You could also use briolettes or teardrop shapes. A 4mm bead of your choice to match. I'm also going to be creating just a simple chain. This is just 16 inches of brass chain, 2 4mm jump rings, a lobster clasp, and an 8mm jump ring. We are going to start off by using our 6 inches of brass wire. Once again, this is 24 gauge. You can use any color that you want. And we are going to form a wrapped loop using our round nose pliers, moving down about 1.5 inches. We're going to bend that wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards you, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back. We're going to flip it around and we are going to wrap. Whoops. 1, 2, 3. We're going to take that off of there and we're going to trim that little end. We're going to flatten our loop and we're going to come back in and we're just going to make sure that wire is tucked, sticking down a little bit. So I'm just moving it up and then I'm tucking down the wire so that there are no sharp ends. Come back over. We're going to pick up one of these tiny little beads and we're moving that down. And then we're picking up our amethyst. And we're just going to slide that down to the end. And then we're going to butt it up right next to there. We're going to make a slight bend. And then we're going to pick up another tiny little bead, string that down. Now I just strung my other amethyst. The holes on these little gemstones can be really tiny. So sometimes you have to work with them to get them onto the 24 gauge. And now we're going to pick up another little tiny bead. And we're going to slide that down. And now we're going to start shaping it before we wire wrap the other side. So I want to shape it so that all the beads, all the little spacer beads are butted up right up against the amethyst. So That looks pretty good for now. We're going to grab our round nose pliers and we are going to form another wrapped loop. We're going to bend the wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards us, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back. And since this wire is long, I can wrap it with my fingers. So we're going to wrap 1, 2, 3. I always use longer lengths of wire in my projects. I think they come out nicer, but I know people like to save on wire. It's expensive. So let's tap that down. We're going to flatten out our loop, and we want our loops facing the same way. Okay, so now we're going to bend it in even more. And I'm just trying to straighten out that loop. So we bent it in more. And this is the shape of our pendant. Now we're going to create a wrapped connector. So we want the connector loop to be big enough to fit on the chain. So we're going to move it over a little bit so we make a bigger loop. Probably right about there. If you move your wire here, your loops will be really small. Over here, they'll be really big. So we want a pretty big loop. So we're going to bend the wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards you, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back. And we're going to flip it around, wrap 1, 2, 3. See how that loop is bigger? We're going to trim that little end. We're going to tap that. Make sure that wire is tucked. And there is our bigger loop, so it'll fit on the chain. Now I just picked up our 4mm bead, and we're just going to slide that down. We want the loops facing the same way, so I'm going to place my pliers here, and we're going to form another wrapped loop. So we're going to bend the wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards you, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back, and we're lining it up. We're grabbing our pliers, and we're going to wrap 1, 2, 3, and it looks like we may have to go 4. You just keep wrapping until you reach the end of the bead. Could be 3, could be 4. Sometimes the little beads have 4. So I'm coming in and I'm straightening out that loop, and I'm tucking that wire down. And there is our connector. We're now going to pick up an 8mm jump ring. This is how you open and close the jump ring. You never pull it apart. So we're going to open that jump ring. We're going to come over, and we're going to place that there. And we want to use the smaller loop there. And then we're just going to come in and close that jump ring. And then there is our pendant. We're now going to attach the chain. So we're going to find the end of the chain. You can make the chain any length you want. It can be long or short. And you see why I made that loop bigger. It was to pass the chain through. So we're just going to string that down. And we need to attach one ring on one side so that the lobster clasp has something to attach to. So I'm just opening that jump ring, grabbing the end of the chain, attaching it, and closing the jump ring. Now we need to attach the lobster clasp to the other side. So let's pick up our 4mm jump ring. We're going to open it. We're going to attach our lobster clasp. Come over to the other end, connect it, and close it. And there you have it, how to create my amethyst pendant. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe and hit the little bell so you will receive notifications on when I post new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Denise Yezbak Moore. I love corresponding with beaders worldwide. So you can leave a comment. I comment back on everybody that comments if you have any questions. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.